Hello, for today's video, I'll be giving you an update on my variegated gymnocalycium and other cactus here in the garage area. So it's a rain or shine area, but I place a net here to protect them from too much heat from the sun during the summer. But now, here in the Philippines, specifically in Silang, Cavite, rainy season has started and it's been raining almost every day or every night. So, my variegated gymnocalycium are all here, but there are also some variegated gymnocalycium in the veranda area, but it's only a few pots. So far, they are okay. So the common problem that I encounter in taking care of the variegated gymnocalycium is they have scales, the white scales. So their blooming season or the blooming season also of the variegated gymnocalycium or cactus is already finished. So if you would notice, my variegated gymnocalycium is colorful, and whenever I see or they started to have scales, I brush them off immediately so that they will not contaminate the other pots, because whenever there's a white scale on them, they easily transfer from one pot to another. And since the pot here in the rack is really side by side, as you can see in the video, so that's how I take good care of my variegated gymnocalycium. So during summer, I water them once a week. But now, I don't water them because it's rainy season. So how do I maintain them is that the first one is that whenever I see scale, I brush them off immediately and spray alcohol. Another one is that at least every 2 weeks, I spray liquid detergent, which is the dishwashing liquid. I dilute it in water, and then I spray them on the variegated gymnocalycium to prevent them from having scales. So this is an example of the scales. So see, I need to brush it off later, and then I spray the dishwashing liquid, which are diluted in water. So I let them stay for 5 minutes, and then I simply spray water also after 5 minutes to wash it off. So that's how I prevent this variegated gymnocalycium to have the scales. So it works for me. I don't know, you might want to try if it will work for you too. So this is the third layer. So when you're taking good care of your cactus, there's so much things to do, or it's less maintenance, because compared to succulents, because when you take good care of succulents, you have to check the leaves, the stem. You have to remove the dried leaves, the mushy leaves, check if there are mealybugs, fungus. But for cactus, it's only the scale and the corking that you have to watch out. And of course, we all know that cactus doesn't like too much water or sitting in a wet soil, just like the succulent too. So if you would notice, this one also has some scales, so I have to brush it off so it will not contaminate the other pots. So that's how I take good care of the succulents that I have, cactus, or specifically this rack is full of variegated Gymnocalycium. They are all variegated Gymnocalycium. So this is my second rack. So this rack is not covered with the net already. So it's a combination of variegated Gymnocalycium and other cactus like Nerio, Astrophytomysterias. So they are also okay. So I do the same maintenance, or I also spray in other cactus the dishwashing liquids every 2 weeks, and then rinse it off with water just to prevent them from having scales and to prevent the insects from going to the cactus. So I've been doing that starting this January, because if you would see my other vlogs, there come a time that I have the infestation of the white scale in my variegated Gymnocalycium, and I have to brush them off one by one, and I have to uproot them because it is really infested. So look at these flowers, look like a candy. It's a stinky cactus. So that's why I don't want to do that again, because it's really time consuming and it's a very hard work to uproot and brush off the scale. So what I did is I find a way to prevent the scale from coming back. So I just have decided that maybe the dishwashing liquid will prevent them from coming back, although there are still some variegated Gymnocalycium that have. So in this third layer of the rack, there are some Howardia, so far they are okay in spite of it's been raining for 2 weeks already here. So the other maintenance that I do is also removing the weeds from the pots, because it's rainy season, weeds grow so fast. So it's only a quick update. So that's all I can share for today. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and share my video to your family, friends, and relatives. Bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye. God bless us all. Please do not forget to like and share my video if you do like my sharing today. Bye bye. God bless us all.